Have you ever spent 2 or 3 hours making a PowerPoint presentation only to realize it still doesn't look professional? What if you could create a complete presentation in just a few minutes using AI? Today, I'll show you exactly how. Welcome back to Pradeep AI Tools. Today's problem is something almost everyone faces. Creating presentations takes too much time. Choosing layouts, finding images, writing content, and formatting slides. Instead of doing everything manually, let AI help. Today, we're using Gamma AI. Step 1. Open Gamma AI, click Create New. Step 2. Type a simple prompt. For example, create a 10-slide presentation explaining artificial intelligence for beginners. Click Generate. Within a minute, Gamma AI creates a title slide, well-structured content, professional layouts, relevant visuals, and clean formatting. But don't stop there. Now ask, make the presentation more professional, or add real-world examples, or keep each slide under 30 words. You can continue improving the presentation until it matches your needs. Need to present to your manager? Ask, rewrite this presentation for business executives. Need a college presentation? Ask, make it suitable for university students. Need speaker notes? Simply ask. Generate speaker notes for every slide. Instead of spending 3 hours designing slides, you can spend your time practicing your presentation. Remember, AI won't replace your ideas. It helps you present those ideas faster and more professionally. If this workflow saves you time, subscribe to Pradeep AI Tools. Every week, I share practical AI workflows that solve real work problems.